All right, let's go ahead and quickly review the AuraDocsAI solution. This is the dashboard where you can see the highlights of the entire platform. And the most important thing here for this demo is this talk to the cases. We'll come back to it. Okay, we are only going to see this demo from a use case point of view for Nevada Department of Wildlife. The main flow we're gonna see today is the documents intake, and then processing the documents, and then finally the operational insights, whether it's chat with the documents, asking questions through chat, or through a intelligent voice chatbot. Okay, let's go into the intake process. Docs intake is a place where you configure your intake. Today we're going to only focus on SFTP, but it's going to be pretty much the same for either Google Drive, SharePoint, REST webhook, or email intake. Okay, I've already configured the SFTP configurations for this use case just for demo purpose. And the thesis here is when you have data sent to your SFTP, the PDF files, and so on and so forth, it will then automatically be processed by the system without any manual intervention. Right, let's go ahead and simulate that. Right now, I have this FileZilla where I used to drop a test dummy file. Let's say example, let's take a case file. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it to the SFTP server. It's now sent. Now let's go back to the portal and let's actually do sync now. This can be actually automated fully. You can put a schedule, cron job, so on and so forth. Right now, it's currently being processed. As you can see, it's already just processed. Let's actually look at what's been processed. Okay, now that the file is intake complete, now let's go to the documents and see the file is now processed, status complete. You can click on it and you see all the details around what really happened behind the scenes. You can actually click on the processing flow. You can see the multi-step process, and you can actually recognize the human in the loop here as well. Finally, the completion of the whole processing. You can also see the cost per the IDP, and actually you can see some of the scans here. Actually look at the file that is being scanned, so on and so forth. You can actually chat with the file as well right here. Right here, your operations team, if they want to know more about this file, they can do it here, and so on and so forth. All right, the final part of the demo is how do we harness this data? How can the department agency can use this data? That's the most important thing. So all this data gets a case file automatically attached, and you can see in the cases we just scan this document, and you have an automatic case here, and it actually brings up some intelligence around the data as well, like the board number, fees paid, the owner, so on and so forth. And you can get high level details on each one of them, and you can actually go to the entire document by clicking here. So this is one way of understanding your intelligence on the data, and you can actually chat with the data as well. You can query the data as well. But at the end of the day, one of the things that is very important now is to get insights in a real time and easy natural language way. Okay, let's pick a case here and let's ask questions. So let's pick this case randomly. Now you can see this was a scanned file as well. Let's ask our intelligent chatbot tell us about this Pioneer Lake services. So we have built this very accessible. So go to the dashboard and you can click this one and you can launch a voice agent and we should be able to chat with it. Hi there, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How can I assist you today? If you have any questions or need help with something, feel free to let me know.
I would like to find data on Pioneer Lake services.
I found some information about Pioneer Lake Services. They have a boat registered in Nevada with the number NV9152KR. The boat is a 2011 Sea Ray boats, 21 feet long, with a fiberglass hull and outboard propulsion. The registered and legal owner is Pioneer Lake Services Incorporated, located at 88 North Hillcrest Avenue, Reno, Nevada, 89503.
That's great
If
information. Can you also pull me anything that's scanned today? Okay, this is one way of accessing the data intelligently. And we also built this site to be mobile optimized. So let's say if an agent is looking for information, he's on the phone, he can just go into this site, log in, and query the data automatically just by asking the questions and just chat with the intelligent layer here on the website. Okay, thank you. That's about it. Have a good day.